Hey, this is Alasan Krito Deli. Today we are going to talk about where we're going to get a the shit coin that we're going to get money. This is something that is easy to get money and fast. So what we're going to do is that today we are going to talk about full coin and also full coin and also base scam, buy scam. So when we're going to talk, this is how you're going to get a coin that is no, it just came, and we have other also other sites that we gonna talk about that. We are this Dex. This is Dex2. Dex2 app, yeah. Dex2 app. This is it. So how can you get money? How can you get a new coin? What you're gonna do is that here, be careful, because here there's a lot of scams. There's a lot of scams. So what you're gonna do is that when you go to dextools.io, and when you go to, as you go in, you just go here. You know, here is Binance. Here is something about Binance. It's a Binance. They connect with Binance, and this is Ethereum. So when you go to the Binance, because the Binance have a very cheap fee, you're gonna have very cheap. But in Ethereum, the fee is very high. So when you go to the live new pair. As you go to the live new pair, what you see, how many minutes? Like this is the time that they just bring the coin. This is 1 minute, only 1 minute. So this is the fastest way to get earlier coin that is coming. But be careful, here is there is a lot of scam also, because it's easier and there is a lot of scam. So what you're gonna do is that as soon as you come here, don't look the first minute, the 1 minute or something like that. Just look here, the liquidity. How many liquidity the person have? Even though it doesn't count, it doesn't matter how much the liquidity. Still, you can get high liquidity, but they are so many people, they are sharing with their own liquidity. Why? What are they sharing? Let me give you some example here. We look like high liquidity. Like anytime when you want for me, if I'm going to check, like this one have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least if I'm going to check, I check the one with 6 numbers. If I'm going to check, I check the one with 6 numbers. So how can you do that? Like this one, you just go here. You just click here as we came, and you see this is the contract address. Wait, just after you go here, yeah? When you go here, you're going to get the contract address here. So how many holders they have? They are 3 holders. It's very dangerous also, because some of the less holders, the less the risky it is. But and the more where there is risky, there is money. But what you're gonna do is that look at how many transfer they have. It's 4 transfer. When you come here, you look at here. It's 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago that they transfer. You see, here is the transfer. And the holders, when you come here, you see the holder. How many holder? You know, this one, when you see this paper one, is a smart contract. This is the smart contract. So the holder, this number is the burning, the one address of the burning address. Actually, this can be a scam. Why? Because the guy, the one who have the coin is not in here, because we have to get the holder. This is the smart contract, there's no holder, and this is address. When you see this paper, it means the smart contract, but this I don't know. But there's no holder here. the holder of the coin we don't see. So this is a shit coin. But anyway, let me take example for this one. As we're gonna see that this is coin that you cannot trade. When you can put your money, they will take it. What you're gonna do is that you see here, this is the address, contract address. You just copy, and it's an example. I just want to, you copy, and you go here, this full coin, and you click on it. This one will pop up. So here is where you're gonna put the contract address. Here you put in, and you just check. Okay, you see here, that's it. You see here, you see that an unlock wallet is holding one. You see, there is no, they lock it. So as soon as you see this one, you can never take your money, because they already lock. I think they just bring it and people just start to buy and they lock it. So this is a scam. This what you're gonna look. This one here. Okay, let's go second one also to see. No, this also, in this one you can check it, but I have been starting for here. This one I'm going to show you another day. This one, you just come down, go down, 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 down. Liquidity, that is, this is 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, let's say this one. This is shelled. Okay, shell is have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, well, let's check also this one. Okay, as soon as you come here on the shell, and just we have 7 holders and 8 transfer. Okay, this is the 8 transfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, we saw the transfer. That's what you're gonna check. It start to be 7 holders. Okay, so what you're gonna do? Let's check the holders, how it is. Well, this, you know, this is the burner address. That's what I said, and this is the contract address. That I said to that. And this one, this is the holder. The first holder is this one. The fourth holder have 0.008%, and the second holder has 0.0021%. That means the rest of the coin they have distribute to people to buy. This maybe is gonna be good, maybe not. But what you're gonna do is that let's say, you know, this address. Let's look at the end of these 3 numbers. That's E05, and this one is, let's say we start with this one, and when we go down, let me see this one. 7 address. Yeah. Okay. What I want you to understand is that the 7 holders, we look the first holder and see how it is, okay. You see, the good thing of this one is that this guy, when you see it means he put the money, he buy. The holder, he buy. So it sound good. When you buy good one, it means that 26 minutes ago, he buy 1. Okay, we go here and see the second holder. Did he buy or did he sell? That's what you gotta check. The second holder, did he buy, did he sell? Okay, buy. This one supposed to be, it sound good little. And let me see this one, the second holder, did he buy or sell? Buy, fine. This coin is supposed to be, I think it's gonna be, you're gonna get money in it. Okay, let's go here and take the contract address and see something. Contract address, and pool coin, this one. Okay, you paste the address, bam. Let's look at this. Okay, look. You see here, there's nothing here. It means that this coin maybe is gonna be good. Maybe. People are buying, and you know, this is just how many minutes? It's just scam, and people are buying. But the risky is that How are they buying or are they selling? Let me see. How much did they buy? Look, somebody buy $3, $15. Come on. 0.8. Come on. This is not, yeah, this you cannot say is good or it's not good, but what I understand is that there is a little money in the pool. So let me see. 66.78 market cap. Yeah. But this, it could be dangerous, but you can risky. That's how they do. You can risk how many percentage is left. You can see here how many percentage it went. Okay, we did not see the percentage. Well, let's say if you buy it, as soon as you buy it, just wait until it reaches somewhere, and don't put a lot of money. Put $10. Just put $10, because when you lose $10, at least you are not feeling it too much than you put $100 and you lose it. So put that $10. Look, as soon as it's reasonable. This is just shabu shabu. You just put and just remove it. Put and keep on looking. As soon as it just reach some percentage, like now is how much? It's in the 0.30. When as soon as it reach here, you get something. Just sell it and buy another. That's how you're gonna make money. Otherwise, let me see. Let me refresh this one and see. Otherwise, you're gonna lose, because they can immediately change the system. Let me see. Did somebody buy again? It's the same. But one thing is, you're supposed to know that just look the one that they are selling, like 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute. They are buying or selling, they are buying or selling. This we just see people enter. And it could be is them buying their own, or it's just but it's how people now they are making money in this way I'm showing you. So try and make research for yourself and see more. So this is where I'm going to leave you, and try a good luck. This is about for you to know I'm not financial advisor, and I'm not. Try anytime when we make video, you look at it, make your own analysis. Just check it and see before you can put your money in. But the advice I can give you, many people are making money with this shit coin, and it's quick. And you know, in here, you immediately they can even take it to coin market. As it's finished here, it's going to, at the day that is going to the market cap, it's going up. So this is it, and good luck for your trading, and have a nice evening. Bye.